MPC Sample features powerful real-time time stretching and repitching algorithms so you can manipulate your loops, melodics and breaks when you're making your beats. Now to access time stretching, make sure you're on tune and then you can use knob 3 and turn it fully to the right till it turns to sequence warp. Now your loop will be in perfect time to your tempo. As we change our tempo, the loop is in perfect time. And as you can hear, as we move our tempo, the loop will always be in time. Then we have repitch, which I've added to our melodic sample. So as we change our tempo, it will stay at the right tempo, but it will change pitch. As we change the tempo, it's changing the pitch, but always staying in time. Now to change your sample from repitch or to time stretching, simply press the pad and then hold down shift and press the warp pad, which is pad 15. This will change the algorithm for you. So we changed our melodic to time stretch, so we will always keep the right pitch, but follow the tempo. Now to change this back, hold down shift, hit the warp button, and now it will put it back to repitch. Now we can also manipulate the time stretching with our warp function. So what we can do, we can dial in how much of this we want. So if we start off at 50%, it's going to be double the speed. As we increase to 100%, it brings it back to the original tempo. And then as we move up to 200%, it halves the speed. This is great for some of the jungle and drum and bass effects. Now when you change it to sequence, it will always lock to your tempo. Now we can also use this technique on melodics. So we start changing the percentage and we start getting all kinds of different types of textures. Having this type of control, it really allows you to find the sweet spots when you're trying to match tempo and pitch on samples. Now let's bring these elements together over our beat. Let's add some effects, textures. Let's slow our beat down. All in real time, affecting the beat and the pitch. Thanks for watching this MPC Sample Academy tutorial. I'm Andy Mack, and I'll see you on the next video. Now let's slow this down and bring it to a close.